everyone, it's Missy here from TheJollyFatElf. Thank you so much for joining me. So in today's video, I have an unintentional planner haul for you. So if you watched Monday's video, I mentioned in that I was like, I'm toying with the idea of doing a planner haul only because it's not really new stuff. So here's the story. Subscribe if you like stories. I got a new desk in 2020 and it's huge. You guys are going to get a craft room tour in January if it's the last thing I do. But so I have a ton of storage. I needed a new desk. I wanted a bigger desk. I wanted an L-shaped desk, blah, 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 blah. So in these cabinets right here that you can't see that I'm pointing to, I had 12 by 12 paper holders that I was storing scrapbook paper, a couple of other things, etc. So I brought those out and put them up in this storage because it was things that I wasn't using very often. Like I have clipboards in one and there's probably something in another one. Well, I apparently bought a ton of stuff from Happy Planner in 2019 and completely forgot about it. Completely forgot about it until yesterday when I was looking for a clipboard and I was going through those boxes and I pulled down and it's it's all brand new. An untouched planner supplies, there's folders, there's dashboards, there's the little cutouts that they used to make that you could put inside. There's sticker books. And I was like, holy crap on a cracker. So I've also been purchasing things over the last couple of months to help me get my planner ready for 2023. I will be doing a planner setup at some point. I'm just not where, it's not where I want it to be quite yet, but I'm getting there. So anywho, I thought I would share with you this unintentional planner haul because literally I completely forgot about it. It's all brand new stuff. I told Rob, I was like, I'm gonna have to start like writing down where I put things so I don't forget them. So anyway, if you haven't already, I hope you'll consider subscribing before we head over to the craft table. And yeah, let me show you what I found. Let me show you my forgotten treasures. That's what I should call this video. Forgotten treasures. All right, guys, let's head over to the craft table. All right, friends, my camera really struggles with anything shiny. So I apologize if the color goes in and out or if whatever it's doing. So let's start with a couple of things I picked up. I picked up some tabs off, not Instagram, Amazon. I just searched for disc bound tabs. So I found 4 that are for the top, and then I found a set of 6 for the sides. I haven't exactly decided how I'm gonna use these, but I knew that I wanted some dividers that were plastic that I can use, and I like how these are kind of see-through. So there's that. And then I found this. This is actually a planner cover and the rings slide in, and then this is the cover. I've already got it dirty. wait. It's messy over here. This is my craft desk. It's very messy. But I think I saw someone on Instagram with this and they talked about it or they linked it or something. I don't know how I found this. But I really liked it, and I'm excited to use it because I have the kind of harder cover on top, but it doesn't turn well, etc. So I'm excited to give this one a go. So those are the things I found on Amazon. I'll try to remember to link it down below. If you guys follow me at all, you know I'm horrible at that. So just remind me if you want information. So here are my forgotten treasures. It's a pretty it's a pretty big pile of forgotten treasures. I'm gonna guess this was a Michael's haul because I remember, I don't know if she's still there, but Chrissy Ann Designs was doing things at Michael's for a while. Again, I don't know if she still does or not, but I picked up this sheet. I haven't even opened it. Holy mackerel, Misty. What are you doing with your life? I don't know. Clearly not remembering. Clearly I need a new memory. So yeah, I pulled that box down and I was like, wait, what? Why is this so heavy? Oh, that's why it's so heavy. So this is just, I think these are paper versions of what these are paper. This is paper versions of what she sells, or some of them, I think they're paper, maybe they're not. I know she does mostly vinyl. These feel, oh, that's thunder. Is that thunder? I better hurry up in case I lose electricity. So there's that one. And this is the productivity sheet. And what's crazy is, I don't know if this is the same one that's on the website. I almost bought that one that was on the website. So I think this one may be on clearance. Don't quote me. These are literally like, what, 3 years old now? They're old. So there's that one. This one is Miss Maker. So I had bought the entire Miss Maker collection. This is no longer available. You may be able to find it secondhand, but I haven't seen it. I know they have a couple of Miss Maker things, but nothing that I would want. So this is their, it just says stickers. This is kind of holiday. You got some spring, summer, fall, and then winter. Fun. I'm gonna have to pull this one out, leave that one out. So I picked up the sticky notes for the Miss Makers collection. Again, I think I just purchased the whole daggum Miss Makers collection, if I'm being honest. Oh, these are stickers. Fun. So there's that. And then I picked up these. I don't even think they make these anymore. These were the inspiration cards, kind of back when using Project Life cards in your planner was popular. Again, 2019. They see me rolling. Create. These might actually be fun to laminate and use as some things. Do more of what makes you happy. There's a Rascal card. Is that what it's called? Craftiness is happiness. All of these seem to have, yeah, grid paper on the back. I followed my heart, led me to the craft store. The craft room is calling. Crafty life. Too many crafts, too little time. Big plans. My heart. I don't know why I'm showing you guys these. It's not like you can buy them. But anyway. Again, these were, putting Project Life in your planner was pretty popular back in the day. Then I picked up some of the list paper, a big chunk of list paper. This is double-sided too. Fun. I got the, are these the dashboards, rulers? I don't know. So Plan a Happy Life, been there, pinned that, and then this one just has, can't see that. You can't see that? Maybe you can see it. It's got like a rainbow see-through of all the kind of icons. I have the 3 folders or 4 folders, 5 folders, 6 folders. So we've got craftiness is happiness, happiness is handmade, level of craft, give me all the washing, and then these 2. Again, completely slipped my mind that I even bought this. I've got the Plan a Happy Life paper, and then I have the Maker's Gonna Make unused planner. Oh, these are these plastic or are they metal? They feel like metal. Okay, let me move all this shit out of the way. Stuff out of the way. Pardon me. We're about to get some thorns. I'm gonna have to hurry up. So this one, again, 2019. Holy Moses. This is very, very colorful. I don't know if I'll get any use out of it. Although I like this currently page. This, I mean, I could redate the spreads, but they're kind of bright. Like, I could use this and not decorate it, possibly. I don't know. I'm not going to throw them away. I'm going to hold on to them. Again, I may pull these out. I like these pages. So there's February, March, April. I like the foil, the kind of coppery foil. I craft so hard. I sweat glitter. May, June, July, August, September, October. I mean, she's cute, I guess. November. And then December. And then I don't know what the extras are. Oh, looks like they are projects. Projects, supplies on hand, supplies to purchase, cost, details, start date, end date, budget, sketches and ideas. Oh, I actually like these. So yeah, that is my Forgotten Treasures haul. Like I said, I don't know that I will use the weekly pages on this. I do like them, but again, I don't know that this is how I want to set things up. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see. But yeah, so Forgotten Treasures. Forgotten Treasures. I do like these. I do like these, especially for the kind of more, you know, job part of my planner, which is like my design teams, my channels, etc. So yeah. Okay, friends, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really do appreciate you. I'm still working on my setup for 2023. Hopefully I'll have a video about that pretty soon. Maybe, hopefully. I'm basically just trying to figure out like what I'm going to track, what I need to track, what I want to use it for, those kinds of things, like the most important things. So once I have that figured out, I will let you guys know. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you tomorrow for another card. Bye for now.